etwa ene ka woya ni ka otesi wala ka woya bie woya je si bia bo na choko ene ka woya nye
abuza from mamu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe whom be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be whom be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. In the video, we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary girl, not the perspective of Mr. President. Women commerce is here.
etwa ene ka woya ni ka otesi wala ka woya bie woya je si bia bo na choko ene ka woya nye ka wa ka esuewo na na kwata yi bia ka shi akaba so awo e wo tu ani fe edo won fa de fa ke te ne ka mama ke sabotage government won pa le fai mokola number 1 ja se wo ku me ne ye ja se wo na ko asla rollins na ke waya oya ke ha wa ku e wo ba si di ke to bi abere ko ko ne ke ma wo ba ku
wo fitai ne government e ba se
wo fitai ma wo ba ndc wo yo wo no yo ne eni ke nsi ndc se ne wo yo wo tro ke penjwe wo ka nke kwembi kete he amete UPS mo mete lebo amegbe na a se lo wo bi aboni wo bi ni wo tro wo ka fi o ko ni ngba ke waya ke etwo wo eni ekwo ba ya wo ba bo mo de wo ya fi o ba ya je wo ba mo si bi aboni ke wo ya ni gbele ni wo ja wa ta sin ta fra che ya fe tutu alo ye gban ni ledu emo wo ke le ba jo mo na yo ne ba le me yo de je ba ni ledu emo wo le ba jo mi ile nya fe tutu ye ona ni embra ka mo serious. I'm talking serious. I'm talking to you seriously talking and you are laughing at me. Don't laugh at me. Hey embra to cut everything short etwa wo ene ka wo ya ni ka otesi wala ka woya bie woya je si bia bo na choko ene ka woya nye ka wa ka asuewo nyime ke je mokola do ma wan na ko ba bie e wo ka na ka e ka wa je bie na ka wa je mo any rollins is showing me nigga fe rollins park no me attack your sky again no me usa me je ma me yo wole fe wo to ke biashi asking sha mo sikle ga ni bi na ka to ke ni bi amamo ma me ma no akasha me fe karabule na shuan na me ba bi ene tro benjo ke ni bi na fe wo ozo le si wo wa ka ozo le si wo me na ka show ngba ke wo ya chowe na ke wo ya ka chowe na ke wo ya pe me yo tinku obaya sika chopo wo ya mama lodina get asie
development akechiri odi na no me mfa mo nko ba bia me de mo ko me constituency eye esunafo south erikopoku on eye agric minister nana wa bedi 24 years na se wo ko wura constituency nim na ye ka se constituency we na erikopoku from constituency we na NDC atena so 24 years nana no mo de no kra ye me free wa me nko ba bia me sa de mo ko eye ono ani nua panyini Alhaji Collins Dauda watena so 32 years nana muko pie hono mo a mo rebeko enti Samra boy de na mo kanana no mache youth amo Samra boy mache Erika for awoye mo MP I don't know so no odru enkran wa se nkofo corporate development akọ mo constituency no se wontimi nkase o se ye den yo Erika for and ne Samra boy pa yesusu ayete Samra boy din hey and I no cry there say me hwe de ekoso Samra boy makoma ya me ya menti kronim me mfiri kronim nenso no ekrono lack of development was Samra boy na emu ya Erika for me se na no mache enye Erika for nko a Oshe MP sa wo mabasa amanfi west amanfi east ne ne mpotem wonananom omo nyina mba omo homodene because the way amanfi for mu contribute to the development of Ghana no enye ehun I mean resource na munya enye ho resource minimum enkuro ni bia wa amanfi ne mpotem a since awodoma nkoma bo ade besi nne quota asphalted road omunhu bi da aden meanwhile amoto abade ma NDC me say na ma hasama making what they Ghana for me say mum yenyi politics into nchen na yenyina yen think deep say constituencies are NDC constituencies no development what is saying na yem fan compare constituencies are NPP constituencies although say me say NPP dey no baby NPP for DMPs no anaso omo control ho no boroso ama but o compare one me far better than constituencies are NDC MPs and di ho no o de wani chirem ewo your friend is a northern region crowd ya any bobo kopie baby to say Haruna Idrisu mo any other MPs bi omo nana mo we de modika mo MP ni de
honorable Haruna Idrisu asem but education no there's nothing there's nothing exciting about education. There's nothing exciting.
Rhetorics in our bro for
honorable Haruna Idrisu gabuna Dr. Yawaduchum Diatuo no NDC aban ntimi mfele ye apart from yenchia wentie betia school fee di betia there's nothing but na aduchum unya ne time no kasa 5 minutes mpo a unse papa na yenhyehyɛ ya na professor ne doctors ne ntina se but no the san nyoma ya ye kan ebi na eba se akra no in fact no the ba could be or say gift.
Okay.
Talent or the Bakubia no a approve ya or say you will be or special talent. Education here too rough and too raw. And I'm concerned, her teacher Nibia you're concerned. But the point is that even when you engage Umukrana, you realize they are cano or but they are not ready to change. Somebody to say that Yense Sanu.
They can't change.
Swati. Now Obin country na Nadia to say. MPP for ATM we say e was some twaso e was some twaso nyina no na enye doko no ntio na enye si bia kaya yubedos wo Ghana ntio one of the sectors akufu do amana gina a wankasa odi hu adanse e education enkranfo atena se amadwo mahama ka kire o mo say education hu hia omo de omo nya doko no a omo ye normal omo ye okay. And Kande Haruna Idrisu so oni policy a enkran schools ni so betimi a kire o mo say dey kenki after all kenki no ye to okọ voter say ya akpele wo ho betimi a kire o mo say dey o mo ye akpele o mfa gu syllabus no mu asantima mu kente wo ho no ma kire o mo say dey o mo ye kenki
so ene da no se mo de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko no ma Dr. Bawumia e den e de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na meya mamu na abusia na ke ye nsem pata de yensa kan serious so in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders a KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom ko another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals the person is because of time. But those ones yetimi go and see how they have been operationalized. And then look, I say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look, I say hospitals and the go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who saying a no man in Abaya. It's a scan of Canada was I go to me and say, oh, I mean, say, almost same people for. Name my comfort my sacrifice discard to what the eye hospitals, my most of my comfort. I comfort my facilitator, Miss Ombe Fande, free seniors, most of my comfort. Is there any Ghana for debut? Now, find a table's net and after the Mokika Mukaka. Why are they shouting? Obian cannon to them color. I saw from among common into with the greatest of it, among common into them queen in a home. Chief imam for the common to the queen in a home. Politicians didn't come into the queen in a home. Marketing men among common to the queen in a home. Obian cannon into them queen in a home. 2020 Jua, they will know the way forward. Ah, yet you come over so no bow, no the credit scoring system, but I must open conquering it. Nancy bibi ni na kasa de sebi ye bibi ayen kitinkiti ya adwen kitinkiti ye bibi ye bia invest square ye yen kitinkiti. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open koko kitinkiti. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, you know. Most open koko kitinkiti. Is enya mo den. You people chose policy. You people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Rajon Dramani ma so o mema was come to butu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se da bi digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Rajon Dramani ma ko gina efese and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, now what they are kinking and we have utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Abanama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say, dear Koya cried a menu now to me who let a be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member Buta region. Now, Miss Films, eh? Ramona Chapa, ya happiness say, where I can say, Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwe letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff emanam one which is never true.
Onya juma oda and onya juma oda amanam one for the first time nam one I post. Oh yes, nam one I post. Yeah, no catch you say dependent boy.
Or since I'm not listen for the first time. Nam one and kwa pe baby akwakoda and then nam one. Yes. Now just say was in ukra during say state institution we are intelligence institution. Who need intel?
Ayeka bro.
Problem ni nyina say.
Economy no kwa na eboa.
Problem ni nyina say. Papa or Council of State member or company to good. A year before grab good board bebano no to me crata good board alliances no to me to good to me to good et me good kwa manone ano near juma kobia kwa pam say me supply of good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months what me supply good no over 75%. Omo cost one as a maintain one se ba wone nipa no ni business ena nipa na fakesi di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no Yoko, we invite directors and managers of the company mobile who take your statement. Ama grant me bomo koi. Wako court. Yoko na court o. Uko court no. Court will really the tiao. Say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko we a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already no, what's what fizzy on my account? Without authorization, and I say order from court. And as High Court really say, the oil unique case. What ferry a koda fe the old defediana, a fidel was by us say, and ye, Mokra made a mempemubium, a Jumara Nankasan me penatino. We invite 10 and our my no issue document say, were you fugitive? Our Johnny. Tango. Personal attack as if say your office one and they use any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No, Raymond Wankasa, me Martin Yamabemi and Sabia. I don't want to talk about
Nana, me see the member who know what the very soon who recordings a BP. Very soon who recordings are a BP.
I
and this state institutions are. Oh, on sa no hu no no kra se amfe ya sorry amfe na nsi fo ma